सो सर लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चंस।
ओके
तो
श्योर।
आनंद सर, जो हमने लास्ट पॉडकास्ट किया था
हाँ
उसमें हमें काफ़ी अमेजिंग इंसाइट्स मिली थी।
हम्म
एंड जब हम कमेंट स्क्रॉल डाउन कर रहे थे तो मोस्टली जो हमारी ऑडियंस थी
Yeah.
वो लोग थे जो अभी दे आर स्टेपिंग इनटू देयर कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ।
हम्म
अभी इनिशियली
Yeah.
दे आर गोइंग टू ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम एकेडमिक टू कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ।
ओके
सो सबका एक मेजर क्वेश्चन था कि हमें क्या मेजर ट्रांजिशन अपने माइंडसेट में लेके चलना चाहिए कि हम लोग, जैसे अभी हम लोगों का क्या होता है एकेडमिक्स में है, अब कॉर्पोरेट एकेडमिक्स लाइफ पूरी की पूरी एक डिफरेंट होती है।
करेक्ट
एंड जब हम कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में आते हैं हमें अलग माइंडसेट होता है हम लोगों का।
या
तो वो हमें क्या माइंडसेट रखना चाहिए जिससे कि हम सक्सेस हमें अचीव हो।
ओके नहीं, इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन। सो इसमें आई विल टच अपॉन 2-3 पॉइंट्स। सी पहला पॉइंट तो है दैट that mind set has to change, that you are starting a new chapter of your life, basically, right? So you are completing 2 phases of your life, or first phase of academic, second इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because generally schooling is first and then college, and then you are entering your professional life. So that mindset has to change, that you will be more responsible now, and you have to follow certain discipline in life. So that mindset has to definitely change, because college में तो we are all free birds, हमारा कोई discipline नहीं है. I mean it is there but to a certain limit only, right? Academics है, paper आ गया तो एकदम से we all go and prepare, mark score करना है, project work है, all those things, so now it is going to change as soon as you are entering the corporate.
सिर्फ आपकी को इम्पैक्ट नहीं आएगा, फिर जब आप कॉर्पोरेट में जाते हो तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल पे भी इम्पैक्ट्स आते हैं इफ यू आर नॉट दैट मच सीरियस.
Absolutely. No, it is firstly for yourself only. Yeah. Because corporate पे तो आएगा ही impact if you are not doing well or performing, but सबसे पहले तो अपने ऊपर ही impact आ जाता है उसका, right? If I am not performing well, so that is going to impact me itself first. So that is first thing, that mindset कि ठीक है अभी college life खत्म हो गई है and we are now have to enter into a more responsible role, in the life, which is again going to give me some earning as well. So earning के साथ थोड़ी responsibility भी अपने आप ही बढ़ जाती है, right? So that is the first mindset. फिर based on my interactions with a lot of freshers, or I talk to a lot of people who join new in the organization. तो उनका एक मैंने जो नोटिस किया है ना, see lot of people when they join the organization they carry a lot of baggage.
Yes.
वो बैगेज ये होता है यार ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैंने क्यों ज्वाइन कर ली, राइट, आई एम गेटिंग लेस पैकेज, ये सबसे बड़ा बैगेज होता है, राइट, कि भाई मेरे एक फ्रेंड को तो 20 लाख का पैकेज मिल गया है, वेयर एज आई एम गेटिंग ओनली 6 lakhs, राइट. बट अगेन सी वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट इज बेसिकली there could be multiple circumstances, but finally it is your choice only, right? So you only decided to join that organization at some point of time, right? So we need to take or get away with that baggage, right? So एक बार join कर लिया है, या if I have thought to join an corporate, so I think we should leave that baggage. Everybody has their own life, everybody has their own we can say their skill set based on which they might have got a better job than you, right? So that baggage has to go away. So if you are joining any organization, so it means yes, you will be giving your best in that organization. So that should be the mantra. And definitely you need to understand one more aspect, that for initially few months, especially when you are joining any organization, right, whether it is a corporate, a small company, large company, initial few months they are training you plus paying you.
Correct.
Right. तो हमारा देखता हूँ when I talk to a lot of freshers, so I feel that somewhere that correlation is missing. They still feel that the organization is paying me very less, I am not able to manage in this salary, it is not a good pay master. I think we have to come out of that, and whatever role is offered to me, so I need to take up that role, show my learnings there, be sincere to that particular job, and give my best in that. I think that is the mantra, or that is the I would say mindset we should have while joining any organization as a fresher, or from academic, when we are changing from academics to any corporate. So that is really important.
सर एक बात बताओ, हमने जो जैसे पीयूष ने बोला कि जो हमने पुराने पॉडकास्ट किए थे, वहाँ पे हमारे जो MBA स्टूडेंट्स हैं IIM से, उनका एक मेजर क्वेश्चन होता है कि अभी तक हमने सिर्फ केस स्टडीज, हमने प्रोजेक्ट्स किए, सबमिशंस किए, वो एक उसमें लाइव एनवायरनमेंट, प्रोडक्शन एनवायरनमेंट में कुछ नहीं होता. दे आर ओनली सॉल्विंग समथिंग विच इज कंट्रोल्ड एनवायरनमेंट. और अगर वहाँ पे कुछ गलत भी हो जाए, नथिंग मैटर्स, नो वन इज काइंड ऑफ गोना स्टैंड आउट योर हेड. सो जब आप माइंडसेट चेंज की बात कर रहे हो, एंड आई थिंक आई रियली लाइक द पॉइंट यू सेड, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है अब. सो एक फ्रेशर जो हमें, या एक वो ग्रेजुएट जिसकी प्लेसमेंट हो गई है, अब वो हमें सुन रहा है, तो एक की टेक अवे अगर आपको इसको समराइज करना हो एक लाइन में कि यार ये चीज़ अपना माइंडसेट चेंज करो, दिस विल हेल्प यू, बाकी चीज़ें विल फ्लो टुगेदर. What would be that? What would that be?
See, one thing, same thing. You are more responsible and you have more ownership now. अगर आप छोटा सा भी business करते हो, right? If you are doing any small business, let's say you are not entering a corporate, or somebody in your family is doing a business, so he's taking the ownership of that business, right? So as an employee also, while joining any corporate, I think that sort of mindset should be there.
So take responsibility.
Take responsibility. I mean, be responsible. Be responsible and take the ownership of your work there. So. But definitely, see, it is not stopping you to have fun. Definitely not. So, but you have to be more disciplined there. So yes, you plan your weekends. Maybe you want to spend time with family. You want to spend time in your any extracurricular things. So yes, you plan those, but you have to think that you are more responsible. That's how I mean.
But sir, आपने जैसे देखा होगा, like आप तो काफ़ी फ्रेशर्स से आपने इंटरेक्ट किया होगा, तो आपने एक देखा होगा ना, जब वो इनिशियली जब जाते हैं ऑफिसेस, तो वो अपने उसी जोन में रहते हैं, कॉलेज वाले लेट आ रहे हैं, कुछ पता नहीं है. तो उसमें लोगों को लाइक इनिशियल डेज में क्या करना चाहिए? आपका क्या मंत्रा होगा हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए कि व्हाट शुड बी द फर्स्ट थिंग? वो अपने कॉलेज जैसे उनका खत्म हो रहा है, उनकी प्लेसमेंट लग चुकी है, उन्हें क्या क्या हैबिट्स अपनी बिल्ड करनी चाहिए कि जिससे कि उन्हें इतनी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम ना आए, क्योंकि किसी भी हैबिट को आने में इट टेक्स टाइम. सो अगर लोगों को पहले ही पता चल जाए लाइक क्या हैबिट्स हमें मेंटेन करनी चाहिए, सो इट विल बी गुड फॉर देम.
No, see, same thing. See, as we used to go to school, right? So there was a specific time of that. College का थोड़ा flexibility आ जाती है. So same thing. There is no major difference in any of the chapters of your life, right? So you have to be disciplined in every phase of your life. So पहला वही आ जाता है कि you have to be really disciplined. You have to go in time, and whatever that company's timings are there, or whatever culture of that company is there, we need to follow that culture, or so that is one thing. So basically the discipline is the first thing, and secondly, again, you have to start looking for the opportunities to learn there. What can I learn today? For example, you are new, right? And so you need to start thinking what are the various areas you can look at in the organization where you can start learning. It's absolutely not about technology. It is absolutely not. Yes, that is one aspect, technology. Or if you are part of any manufacturing organization, yes, your shop floor is there, so you need to learn obviously the technical aspect, but there are much more things which you need to learn as an employee, right? So that could be stakeholder management, for example, how to manage your colleagues, how to work with colleagues, for example, right? How to be a good team member. So these are certain things which you can look at and start focusing, start learning. And obviously they are not going to come in a very short time. So yes, as you experience in that organization, so yes, slowly all these things you will experience and learn over a period of time.
सर, आपने बोला टेक्निकल होना ज़रूरी नहीं है शुरू में. तो अब जो MBA स्टूडेंट्स हैं, अब मैं और पीयूष जब बात करते हैं तो उनसे हमें बात करके लगता है कि दे हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन learning and gaining a lot of technical skills. So technical skill और discipline और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, अगर इन तीनों को आपने एक मर्ज करके बताना हो कि देयर इज लाइक, आई वांट टू टेक नेम ऑफ आंचल एंड आदित्य, जो हमारे पुराने पॉडकास्ट पे आए थे. लाइक आंचल इज ऑलरेडी प्लेस्ड इन आई थिंक इन एन IT कंपनी एज वेल. सो फॉर हर एंड फॉर अदर्स, सो मेनी आंचल्स एंड आदित्य आउट देयर. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दीज 3 points, तो उनको किस वे में ये प्रोग्रेशन लेना चाहिए?
See, firstly, I will correct you. I didn't say that you don't have to acquire the technical skill. I am saying जनरली परसेप्शन ये रहती है when you are passing out from college. जैसे when I started my journey or I'm sure when you started your journey, तो हमारा सारा focus रहता है कि I need to learn this technology.
Yes.
When I joined, so I want to do Windows certification. I want to do Solaris
Cisco,
certification, Cisco network, CCNA and all that. So that is the entire focus in the initial years. And which is absolutely fine. We have to do that.
Yes.
What I am trying to say is, apart from technology, we also need to look at the other areas, right? So other areas, as I said, can be stakeholder management, right?
Soft skills. Yes.
Basically, like how can I work better in a team?
Yes.
Because ये एक बहुत बड़ी problem आती है किसी भी
corporate.
So there is a mix. There is a mix of people, right? So everybody has their own mindset. They have their own attitude.
Yeah.
They have their own thought process.
Yes.
So it becomes really difficult कि सबको align करके you work as a team. So वो एक challenge हो जाता है. So that is the second aspect I'm just referring to. That yes, you need to learn those skills as well in parallel. Those are equally important. ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि technology is definitely very very important. That is the prime है ही है. But take an example, right? If somebody is a great techie, बहुत बढ़िया techie है, बात नहीं करता है किसी से, attitude में रहता है, ठीक है, knowledge share नहीं करता है, right? But there is another guy, right?
Yes.
So उससे थोड़ा कम है, he is 80% techie or even 70% techie, but he is very good team player.
Yes.
So he shares his knowledge and talks properly with the team, understands customer expectations immediately, responds to that. Whereas that guy, अपने मर्जी से मस्ती से अपना ठीक है यार, आज प्रॉब्लम आई है तो शाम को देखेंगे, कल देख लेंगे, right? But that prompts response. So so we need to understand who is more valuable to the organization.
Team player
right?
कौन है?
So second person preferably will be more valuable.
Yes.
Right? And so based on individuals' interest, so definitely they can choose any of those things, learn and become a master of one or two technologies.
Awesome. Great.